Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to change your age on Discord. So to do that, let's head over to the Discord application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile and head over to the gear icon on the top right. And in here, scroll down to the bottom and go to the support section. It will lead you to the Discord support website, and here submit a request of I want to change my age appeals and age update. So here you have to give your email address and give the subject and give the description of how you want to change or what you want to change or what age you want to update your Discord to. So yeah, this is how you can do it. And once you are done, just tap on submit. You can also add any file for any sort of proof or something. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.